something crazy. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Cara. I make baking and lifestyle videos. Today is Saturday, March 11th. I worked all week and I don't have any cake orders due this week. I wanted to bring you along with me because today I am doing my first ever cold plunge. I think I'm crazy. It's really cold outside. Right now, it's 0 degrees, feels like -7 with the wind chill. I don't know what the water temperature is going to be. If you're from the area, we are going to East Bay Beach. I don't know if there's a way to check the water temperature or if anyone I'm going with will have that, but I will update you if we know the water temperature. But I'm sitting in my car in the driveway because I need to do something to pass the time because it's 9:03 and I don't leave until like 11. I need to do something to pass the time and my car is filthy. All the car cleaning people can just click off now because I know someone's gonna come at me, but I don't have car cleaning stuff, and if I do, it's in the basement in a random spot and I don't know where it's at. So I'm using Lysol wipes to wipe my seats off. Also, Windex for the windows. So, yeah. Don't hate me. Also, I brought a trash bag to put all the garbage in. So, that's what I'm gonna do. I brought the vacuum from the house out because I didn't want to lug the shop vac from the basement. Has anyone that watched my videos ever done a cold plunge in the ocean when it's -7 outside? I know a lot of people do them in like their backyard in a tub, but like I just find it scarier. The thought is scarier to me that it's in the ocean. So I don't know. So my coworker Ting does cold plunges and I agreed to do one, and now the day is here and I'm freaking out. I'm picking up another coworker, Cayenne, on the way. So Ting, Cayenne, and I are going to head out to East Bay and just meet up with a few others. I'm going to try to set up my tripod or something to film to prove that I did it because I don't know if anybody will believe me. This is a slight struggle for me because I don't like wearing bathing suits. So I'm not quite wearing a bathing suit. I'm just gonna wear my sports bra and like biker shorts. I would be more comfortable if no one was there and I could just run in the water and run back out myself, and that's fine. And I get it, everyone's like, you don't have to be self-conscious, blah, blah, blah. Everybody's a bikini body, but it's a me thing. I just don't like showing my body. So I don't know how much I'll put on YouTube, but we'll see. Okay, I am on the way. We are doing this. I'm getting in the water. I might have a panic attack. Just kidding. I think I'll be fine. Freaking out a little bit. I just keep telling myself that I can do it, and I want to do it because I want to prove that I can do it. But I'm like nervous. I know it's gonna be painful, but I think I've experienced some pain before. So I'm just gonna do it. We're supposed to be there at 12, running a little late. In the water, I'm gonna wear my sports bra and biker shorts because I'm not putting a bathing suit on right now. I haven't put a bathing suit on since the summer, and I wasn't ready for that. Wish me luck. I wanted to do a little voiceover for this part to explain what was going on. This is Mike, Ting, me, and Cayenne, and here we are getting in the water. So exciting. Okay, I'm on the far right. I have biker shorts on, and I'm getting in slowly there. Cayenne and Mike are breaking up the thin ice with sticks, and I just wanted to rush in so I could start the timer. So here I am turning around, and I'm in. How exciting. You'll see right at this part is when Ting brings his hands above the water and he's telling me to get my hands out of the water so they aren't too cold when we are getting out. But my feet were really cold, they were pretty numb, but everything else was pretty good. And Cayenne and Mike did successfully get on top of the ice with a few scratches on their stomachs. So I did stay in for 100 seconds. Which I think I probably could have stayed in longer next time. So I am going to do it again. So we'll see next time if I can stay in longer than 100 seconds. I'm back. I survived. it was not as bad as I thought that it was gonna be. We did it at like 12:30 and it's 20 after 3 now. You would have already seen the video going in the water. I got in pretty quick and I think I did pretty good for my first time. The people that I was with said I did really good for my first time. I stayed in for 100 seconds. I thought that I was going to run in, dunk down past my shoulders and then run back out, but I tried to stay in and I stayed in for 100 seconds. So there was ice on the water. They were using sticks to like break the ice on our way in. I don't know what the water temperature would be, but it was -4, feels like -7 or more with the wind chill, like air temperature. Now that I did it, I would definitely do it again. The way everyone described it, I thought it was going to be like torture, but like I didn't find it that bad at all. I got in, got out, got changed. My toes were really numb after, but everything else was good. I'm gonna try to convince Seamus to go. He didn't want to do it this time, but I think I can convince him to go do it. I think he would like it. After we did the cold plunge, we went and got some food. I should have took a picture of it, but it was just breakfast. And then I am proud of myself for doing a cold plunge. And if you even like were thinking about doing it, you should try it because it's fun. I also thought that I was going to be shivering for like ever after, but I was fine. I don't know if I was just so pumped up about it that it was easier because I was expecting worse or what, but the hardest part was like changing after. Some people after feel like a high after they do like a cold plunge, and the other girl I was with, Cayenne, she said that after she like warms up she feels really tired after she does it, but I just feel like normal. I think I'm like excited because I did it, but I don't think I'm like running on a high or anything like that. Dropping back off, I had to go to the bank and then I just went to Walmart and Running Man and got my groceries for meal prep Sunday tomorrow. So I might include the meal prep in this video because if not, I think this would be really short. So I went to Running Man and Walmart for my groceries. I just have to go to Sobeys on the way home to get my chicken and ground beef, and then I'm headed home. I don't have any major plans today. I might see if Seamus either wants to watch a movie or go to the movie theater. There's not too much playing, but I'll vlog my meal prep tomorrow too, so stay tuned for that. It's just gonna be like a little weekend vlog. Hey guys, good morning. Late start to the day. The clocks went ahead, so I just snagged a last minute spin class. I was on the wait list and a bike became available, so I'm gonna go to the YMCA for a spin class. But first, Seamus and I are gonna take Chip up to a field and take him for a little bit of a run, and then I'm gonna go to spin class. So. I'm running a little bit late, but I still should make it on time. Class is at 11. It's now 10:30. Heading to spin. Okay, I finished spin class. I was hoping to get a small clip of me on the bike, but I wasn't in the back row, so I didn't feel comfortable doing that. It's a 45-minute class. The instructor didn't realize what time the class ended, and we were working like well into like the cool down time, and everyone was just like, she realized that we were supposed to be cooling down, another class was coming in, so got a little bit more of a workout than normal. I probably look like a tomato, but that's okay. My plan now is to go home, get in the shower, and then get some meal prep done for the week. This will be my 3rd week in a row doing meal prep on Sundays, and it's saved a lot of time through the week. So that's what I'm going to do today. And then later on, Seamus and I are going to have supper at my mom and dad's. I'm just going to drive home and drink my water and eat this banana because I'm feeling a little lightheaded. That is everything for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.